Alright, so we are once again making sliders. This time, I found what I was looking for. We got Carb Smart slider buns. They're the Hawaiian rolls. There's about 45 calories for a roll instead of like 100 or 120. These guys, right here, these guys, okay? These are what I've been looking for. So, today we're going to make Sloppy Joe sliders. We're gonna do a homemade Sloppy Joe. I've only done it once before, and that was way long ago. So, we're doing it today. We're gonna make the sauce, do all that, load it up, throw them in the oven, all that fun jazz. But we'll start with, obviously, the Sloppy Joe mix, and then we'll throw them all together, throw them in the oven, fun stuff. But let's get started. So the nice thing about Sloppy Joes is that most of the time, well actually almost all the time, one pot. That's the best part about it. It's all one pot. It's still a simple dish, and the best part is everything goes in here, cook it all together, then you throw it on your buns, and it's less dishes. So, to this, we're going to add a tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to add 2 pounds of lean ground beef, 937. The reason I'm doing 2 pounds is because of the amount of onion I'm going to use and everything else. Plus, this makes for a nice meal prep. Okay, then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of cracked black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a tablespoon of chili powder. And you want to give this about a minute or 2 head start. Okay, next we're going to add about a cup of diced red onion and a cup of green bell pepper. And then we're going to cook this until those veggies cook down and the meat's cooked through. So this hopefully should only take about 7 to 8 minutes. Alright, so ground beef is cooked. Next we're going to start kind of forming the Sloppy Joe. So I have here about a cup and a half, almost 2 cups of pureed tomato. I didn't have any cans of tomato sauce, so we're going to just use this instead. And it's just literally pureed tomato. It's nothing fancy, it's just pureed tomato. Okay, mix that in there. Then we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, a 1/2 cup of any like healthy, low sugar added, no sugar added ketchup, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Okay, and then stir that together. Alright, and we're going to let this go on kind of medium-low for about 10 minutes till it gets nice and thick, and it will actually just kind of darken in color a little bit. Alright, so turn the heat off. This is what we're looking for, that nice dark rich color. So, I got my Hawaiian rolls over here split. Let's go ahead and load her up. Now obviously I'm not going to use the full 2 pounds of this, but that's the recipe, and again, there's always leftovers. And I know that they're called Sloppy Joes, but you don't want to fill these up too terribly much, because this will do the work for you, especially since we're going to add some mozzarella cheese to these. And I'm going to do about 3 slices on each set. Alright, so this next part is optional. You can either A, throw the buns on. I have a garlic herb oil that I'm going to brush on top. Or you can put some pickles on, which I'm going to put on one set. And, or some hot pepper mix. I really like hot peppers, and I want to put them on here. So you can do either jalapenos, banana peppers, or I'm going to put some hot giardiniera on here. So like I said, 1/2 of them I'm going to put pickles on, the other 1/2 I'm going to do the hot giardiniera. Okay, pickles on one, peppers on the other, and then the oil. Okay, and I'm going to throw these in at 425 for about 5 to 6 minutes until that cheese melts. Alright, so I pulled these out of the oven, topped them with some green onion. But look at these. So, this one is the hot peppers, and then this one is the pickles. Let's eat. So, I'm going to start with the control one, which will be the pickle one. So, oh yeah. Oh, cheers. It's a Sloppy Joe. I mean, in retrospect to the name, Sloppy Joe needs just a tad bit more meat. But, putting that part aside, because we were trying to go for aesthetically pleasing, taste, fantastic. This is delicious. That sauce that's made with the ground beef, that Sloppy Joe sauce. I mean, basically to me, Sloppy Joe sauce is kind of a very tomatoey barbecue sauce, and this is delicious. With these rolls, these slider buns, there's a little bit of sweetness. I could have done the hot honey oil on these. That probably would have been really good. Honestly, we'll find out when we try the one with the hot peppers. So let's try the one with the hot peppers. But, ooh, baby. Oh yeah. Cheers. Mm-hmm, yep. Just a little bit of added spice goes a long way. And like I said, I'm a big hoe for hot peppers. So if you like hot peppers, there's one. If you don't, cool, do the one with pickles. But you can, yeah. You definitely need like a roll of napkins for this. This is delicious. This is fantastic. Fire. Delicious. Yes. Well guys, there you have it. Healthy Sloppy Joe sliders. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did and you're new, make sure to hit that sub button, throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think. And as always, peace out. And I will see you guys in the next one.